Hi children, welcome back to that is your channel Physics by Imagination. In the previous class, we have discussed about acids, bases, and also discussed about how to identify acids and bases. So, after that, importance of acids and preparation action of acids with metals, carbonates, we discussed children, and also neutralization. In this class, we are going to discuss about remaining topics. So let us learn without wasting time. The first one is chloroalkali process. Dear children, it is used to prepare sodium hydroxide. It is used to prepare sodium hydroxide. So here what we are going to do, very simple. When we take an equal amount of sodium chloride plus water under the electrolysis process. So we have filled with water here and that is immersed with electrodes, and after passing this solution becomes brine solution. Okay, then after electrolysis it forms, that is sodium hydroxide plus chlorine gas plus hydrogen. Very important thing here. Now sodium hydroxide is going to be collected at the cathode and chlorine gas will be coming at the anode. So now here this is called chloroalkali process. So in the exam the importance or uses will be asked, that is fixed question. Now chlorine gas, so where are we using? For cleaning purpose, that is in the water treatment, and also we are using in the swimming pools, using in the pesticides, and also you might be seen that also it is used in the polyvinyl chloride preparation. Okay, this is all about uses of chlorine. Next, hydrogen. It is used as a rocket fuel, and also it is used in the, because why it is used as rocket fuel? It is a clean gas, and also used in, that is fertilizers. So after that we come to the sodium hydroxide. So very easy children, in the preparation of soaps, detergents, decreasing the metals, there we are going to use this sodium hydroxide. So this is all about chloroalkali process. Okay, next come to the point, bleaching powder. So bleaching powder you might be seen, where dirt is there we are going to sprinkle it. Okay, now here very simple, we have obtained in the electrolysis process, that is chlorine gas. When chlorine gas is reacted with slaked lime or calcium hydroxide, that is going to form bleaching powder. Okay, so that is going to call calcium monoxide chloride plus water. This is the preparation of bleaching powder. So here uses they'll ask you, bleaching powder, dear children, we are using in the preparation of linen cloths, paper industries, pulp industries, and as you know that it is a strong oxidizing agent. So we are using as a strong oxidizing agent. Next, third one we can tell that very easily, bleaching powder also used in the swimming pools. Okay, and also this is all about the uses and preparation of bleaching powder. It is used for cleansing purpose. Okay, so next we will move to the point, that is baking soda. Baking soda children means you remember just about bakery. So in bakery what we are going to do? Very simple. We are going to have egg puffs. Okay, and we are going to have bread. Baking soda means what children? It is very easy to understand. So what is that? When we take ammonium plus sodium chloride solution plus water plus carbon dioxide, simultaneously we are going to take all the things. Actually this is a mechanism, one by one we are going to take the products, but remember directly you can write. So after that, after eating this, we are going to get ammonium chloride plus 2 times of sodium hydrogen carbonate. So here our aim is to be get sodium carbonate, that is baking soda is nothing but sodium carbonate, and after this process you take, then after heating process we'll get our that is destination point sodium carbonate with the liberation of chlorine gas, that is carbon dioxide plus water. This is all about bleaching, that is baking soda. Okay, this is the formula for sodium bicarbonate. The children, when we have more acidity in the stomach, what is going to happen? We'll take soda, that is nothing but sodium carbonate. When sodium carbonate is going to react with hydrochloric acid, then it is going to under neutralization process. Then carbon dioxide will be liberated. Then we are going to make sound. That is called belch sound. Okay. Now uses of baking soda, very easy. It is used in the that is bakery. It is used as a fire extinguisher to stop the fire. That is soda acid we are using. And also this is using in the preparation of washing soda. So these are all uses of baking soda. And also antacids, as I told you, ENO, soda, cool drinks, they are going to use baking soda. So later on come to the last point, washing soda. The children, very easy, washing purpose we are using. When I take sodium carbonate and mix it with decahydrate, it is going to form, that is washing soda. So this is called crystallization of water. Now water, what is meaning of water crystallization? Dear children, water is going to form a perfect shape and regular body to the molecules, that is called water of crystallization. This is, you can call example for water of crystallization, and there will be a fixed number of atoms will be present, that is called water crystallization. So this is the preparation of, they may ask you reactions in the MCQs. Next, what are the uses of washing soda? Dear children, very simple. We are using for cleaning purpose, to remove the permanent hardness of the water, in the preparation of chloroform, and also we are using in the preparation of glass, soap, detergents. Okay, these are all uses of washing soda. So later on, let us move to the point that is very important point, preparation of caustic soda. So what is caustic soda? So that is very easy, children. When I take, that is calcium sulfate hemihydrate reacted with 3/2 times of water, it is going to form, that is calcium sulfate twice of water. So this is called gypsum. And here also we are going to use water of crystallization. Now this is called plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Remember children, they may ask you in the MCQs, plaster of Paris. Now this is the reaction of caustic soda. Now uses of plaster of Paris is very important in exam. Dear children, we are using as a very simple, making toys they are using. And when you go to dentist, if the tooth it is not there, then he is going to take the impressions. So to get the impressions of that, we are going to use material that is nothing but plaster of Paris. And also we are using in the decorating things. We are using as a decorating things. And also we are using as a artificial rods. This is all about acid, bases and salts. And very simple question children, HCl, does it conduct electric current? Yes. Bases, does it conduct electric current? Yes, because presence of hydronium ions and hydroxide ions. Okay, now acids are going to conduct the electricity. Okay, because there is a presence of hydronium ions. I hope you understood, children. I have completely completed acid, bases and salts. Okay. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.